Hey guys, just here in my garage. It's a beautiful day out. Just want to tell you, you know what's more important than materialistic things? Knowledge. So go put your head in a book and read these 3 books a day and you'll be richer than Tai Lopez. Just sitting here in my Ferrari. Don't mind me. You know what's more important than this Ferrari? Knowledge. Because knowledge will get you this Ferrari. This Ferrari's cool and all. I mean, nice little steering wheel, engine start. Here we go. Dope little Ferrari. But this is not why money is important. Money is important because of the freedom. Just remember that. Don't be fooled by things like this. This is just a normal car. Just a regular seat. I don't care about this car. It's a piece of metal that has an engine in it that takes me from point A to point B. So I just got home. Just leave my Ferrari here real quick. And it's hot. It's beautiful weather out here. And I just want you guys to appreciate that. And I'm Tai Lopez's cousin, Billy Lopez.